Welcome to Know Your Leader, where voices rise, a platform for change where leaders realize the weight of their words, the power they hold, a stage to shape the future, young and old. Here we seek the truth, we ask the questions bold, we probe the depths of policies untold. Join Usiyabonga Mpungose as he explores the leaders who shape our world in store. With every word, a story is told of hope, of struggle, of a nation's hold. Let's know our leaders, let's hear their tale, and may the wisdom our future prevail.
Sawubona, siyakubingelela embukelo walolu hlelo nomlandela kakhulu okwenzeka kulolu hlelo. Ngihlekisa ukuthi ke sihlezi soqhamukela nezinto ngokuhluka kwazo. Eyokuqala nje into esifuna ukukushaya ngayo ukuthi since kunyaka 2026 imbukelwe show ebizwa ukuthi Know Your Leader, sesibabonile abantu abadala befika bezokhuluma bechaza whether babaholi, home minister, former minister, his mayor, sibanikile ithuba. But manje sinayo into ethi ake sibuyele back siyo-check-a ke kubantu abasha abasebancane ukuthi bona bacabangani ngokubuka izwe lethu indlela elime ngayo. Njengamanje I'm joined by umuntu amagalelo akhe esiwazi kakhulu nokumbona nje evocal, more especially futhi umuntu esifazana. Yikho into ejabulisa nangikubona lokho umuntu esifazane active, umuntu engikhuluma ngaye mncane. Sazonika wonke ama parties ukuthi akasinike abantu bawo abancane abase youth. Sizwe youth angempela ayi youth emidlalo yeminyaka yebhola, youth wesike lo uyithini lo ekunayo nje kamanje. I'm joined by Wanda. Uyaphila sisi omncane?
Ngiyaphila.
Lalela bangibona umuntu omncane onganganayo ukuthi akubingelele nje ko ibanathi kithi uyaphila sisi. Kambe uzongitshela ukuthi ngiyaphila. Uphila ngempela usisi. So njengamanje mfethu siyajabula kakhulu ukuthi sikanye nawe ohlelweni namhlanje. Kodwa ke into esifisa ukuyicheck mhlambe before we start our show, kunalento eyayithiwa myself. Ungasinika myself wakho uthi ngubani mawuchazela umuntu osibukayo?
Okay, ngiyabingelela again and thank you so much for being here, Ngoso. So igama lami ke ukwanda samazinyo abantu besekubekiwe and I am 18 years old.
Okay.
Ukusuka ngwasenkandla emahlabathini le.
Okay.
Emahlathini abomvu.
Okay.
So ngisuka enkandla and I've basically in politics. I'm very known in politics. I'm an entrepreneur as well. Ngisanda kuqeda nje isikole last year, grade 12. And basically my whole career in politics iqale like when I was in grade 4.
Okay.
I was raised by a single parent,
okay.
Which is basically into ejwayelekile in South Africa, being raised by your mom. That's another thing. So whenever I go, because currently, as I had businesses from a very young age, because I got into business when I was 14 years old, and politics when I was 9 years old. My mom has literally always been on my side, because I'm currently, because she has to like take care of my safety, etc. So she's always literally here. So yeah, that's basically myself.
Ngihle mawuchaza lokho mina ngwaseMpophomeni ngoba selokhu ngavula amehlo ngikholela eMpophomeni, kodwa ukuzalwa kwami inkaba yami even though eMpophomeni ngifike ngina 8 months but inkaba yami isenkandla endaweni ebizwa ukuthi kusemahlazini. So ngiqhamuka khona. So ngifuna ukuchecka makuthiwa kwanda Simons ungasichazela kanjani lokho ngoba ngilindele makuthi wasenkandla ngizozwa nje kuthiwa umpungose mhlambe noma umdluli noma hayi.
Okay, so Ukwanda Summers is basically the name that I use on social media.
Okay.
My name is Kwanda, but it's Bongo Ntombela.
Okay, Mahlobo.
Mahlobo.
Yes.
Translations of Mahlobo Usama.
Okay.
Versus Kubu Summers.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, senginolokho senginolwazi. Ngifuna ukuchecka sisomncane. Uma uqala uba involved kwi politics because bengizokuphikisa manje nami nginondodakazi lapha o involved kuyinto eziningi emncane kuleminyaka kuyona. So yini ekwenza ube ne interest kwi politics kule yaminyaka?
So as grade 4 ngoba my political consciousness yaqala when I was in grade 4, as most of the time as teenagers and as abafundi we spend most of the time in schools njengoba bazabethi they spend most of the time at work. Nathi we learn new things there, we find out new things, we experience new things. So I safundisa social sciences in grade 4, which is khona history and geography. in history we kept learning about these leaders of which I did not know about, because why are we being taught about Hitler South Africa? Because why aren't we taught about black people completely? So that's where I started to question the system, the education system. Okay, there should be something wrong here. And also in politics and political parties and stuff, it was still in grade 4 because emphakathini wami ngangivele ngiphume nje nami ngiye join strike kanjalo, so amathi I guess ngawaqala nje in grade 4 ukwa experience, and then ngokuhamba kweminyaka I just kept getting more exposed to education system and I was questioning it. I used to even argue with my teachers in school and debate with my teachers ukuthi nina nivuma kanjani into enje niwothisha, like I know ukuthi nani nifuna ukuhola, but this is wrong and you'll know it. We shouldn't be, this is still the Bantu education le eyayifundisa youth of 1976. So I questioned the education system till grade 10, where I took the stand ukuthi yazi athi ngisiyeke nale physical school, let me actually homeschool because my surroundings, because now for the mixed, there's white people, there's Indians, and most of them homeschooler. Why is that? Plus I used to be bullied in school. That's another thing that we experience as black people, black children in schools. So let me homeschool, because I think when you homeschool you get really successful. Abelungu, they are very successful. It's very rare to find umlungu ehlupekile, and that's because they homeschool. So I wanted to try this thing out. Grade 10 nga homeschooler till matric, and things have been very much better. So the education system kodwa isayifanela yona, because nababelungu bafundisa izinto ezihlukene. Hilton College akufani izinto ezifundiswa khona nefundiswa la asibe munye, ayifani at all.
Kwanda ngifuna ngicela futhi uphinde ukulekelela makhuluma indaba ye homeschooling, because makhuluma nathi abantu abamnyama asi understanding kuphela. Mina nje engiyaziyo nami ngadlula kuyona ukuthi umehluko phakathi kweyami neyakho, mina uyisenkulisa ngangigadwa ngenhlaka sekhaya kaMthembu kwakuyi homeschooling yami. Ngikhalela umkhulu mangibona ukuthi ngidlala enkulisa la, mangiyabona umkhulu eyaluza la. Awungichazele kwenzeka kanjani indaba ye homeschooling?
Okay, so homeschooling ukungena nje kwayo, because as black parents they believe in traditional school uthi hayi ukuhamba esikoleni. It's very rare, that's why it's very important ukuthi abazali bethu si behambe ngekhathi, like bebona it's okay now, it's like it's customer 2000 manje izinto seyishintshile, let us adapt to this, because school, first of all, it's really not a safe environment. After seeing umkhanazi izinto ayiveza last year ukuthi there are drugs in schools. Mina as a learner myself, I can attest to that. There is bullying to schools. You can commit suicide at school. You can, because of school. Teachers, they sexually exploit abafundi in school. So there are a lot of reasons to actually remove your child from a physical school to homeschooling, because first of all, homeschooling, the benefits of it, promote homeschooler, but I think it's a good thing.
Yeah, but some of us breaking down and homeschooling. I see.
I guess. So like the benefits are kokeli malume ne transport la.
Okay.
Because usekhaya.
Okay.
Awudinge transport yokuthi uhambe esikoleni, because yonke into ila ekhaya la cooking. You're not buying any uniform, akho mphako, awuphathi imali yokucare. Because there's everything, there's food in the kitchen, you can get anything here. Plus, yehla amathuba ukuthi uyashelwa in school, omaluma balokhu bekubuza izinto bheke eceleni and all of those things. So there are different online schools akhona when you go to like Google, kuney'kole, you just apply, because bakuthatha literally anytime onyakeni, because it's very easy to adjust. Apply online, uthathwe, and then uyafunda. So all you need is Wi-Fi and laptop on your laptop.
Imani mase senibhala test lo okuhlola umhlolo wakho kusukuma wakho noma usukuba
Not even.
Invigilator.
Not even. So basically homeschooling like sukukhona uthisha vele kwi laptop.
Okay.
So it's like a video call every single day. Qala ngo7 kuphele ngo2 ama class.
Okay.
But if you are a busy person, because another thing I was homeschooling for is that I wanted to be flexible, as I was in business and politics. So kwaba ukuthi ke I made arrangements with mina isikole sami angiqale ngo2 p.m. to 8.
Okay.
Kungabi 6 because I'm going to podcasts 6.
Okay.
I'm going to meetings 6. So when it comes to like invigilating and writing on my test, there is an app. I think yesterday I say UNISA.
Okay.
App yok invigilator. So ubukwa nje le camera le. And there are many people behind it. Of course, isikole sethi head office ekona ise Cape Town. So there are people also invigilators kodwa wena ubaboni. It's just this app and iyakubuka iyakuzwa izwa literally every movement. So
yo, mase niyokhokha school fees lapha into engiyithanda homeschooling ukuthi Akushiya ukuthi upanishela ukushanela olokuzana awuzophumela isikhathi sikhokha khona la online school fees yonke leyo nto enjalo.
Everything is online literally. My textbook akho ufunda online awusebenzisa ama hard copy.
Okay.
Konke it's literally online.
Mfethu. So nje manje ke siyahamba ke kwanti sesiyafika ke ekuthenini uyangena kulolu thando lwento eyipolitiki and iminyaka yakho onayo u18 njengamanje. Sengifisa ukuchecka ke sesingena la empandeni. Akithi ama political parties akhona ke eSouth Africa ngokubekwa kwawo. Hey maba thina sesivotayo nje ungcono ngathi uzobuqala ukuvota thina sishaka oqhaqha lwamaqembu ezepolitiki. Ulikhetha kanjani ke yini yakwenza uchoose ipolitical party okuyona njengamanje kuyi-MK party?
Okay, so okwangenza basically it's history because I saw that this party when it was opened in 2023 December, it's a party that did exist in 1961, Umkhonto Wesizwe, and it's a wing of the ANC. So I was very invested in that. Ngoba ngiwasenkandla ke, it was a matter of ukuthi I want to make an appointment with the President Jacob Zuma himself. Ngikhulume ngalokhu esengikutholile because I do my research. Mina ke angidonswa ngama-hemp. Actually ama 2K sonke asidonsa ama-food hemp bese siyovota. We will ask President Jacob Zuma, why should we vote for you? Asitshela. But you were a president before. Why are you repeating? Asitshela and then I know sizovota. Asitshela ama-airtime as ama 2K. So I got to actually go to the appointment. We made an appointment and I did meet President Jacob Zuma where I had drafted a whole proposal for him. After seeing Umkhonto Wesizwe, doing research because of course kwakuyila Umkhonto Wesizwe lawyer and I'm seeing ukuthi aqoka izinto ze-military, so it's the same Umkhonto Wesizwe that was there in 1961. I went to him and we had this little meeting where I was seated with him. Sakhuluma introduction, I remember it very well. I explained who I am, and then I got into. I heard there was an interview with President Jacob Zuma where a journalist was asking, why do you want to keep being a president? Because you were a president already. You want to continue being a president. Why don't you allow young people to lead? Was President Jacob Zuma? I was the president. Ngapum. Where is the youth that is leading? Because I come what is the youth doing now? So ngathi mina sengikhona ke President Jacob Zuma and I want to lead. That's where we had worked on MK Teens and Learners Command, of which I actually formed naye President Jacob Zuma, and it was endorsed by him last year in July. Basically it was based on the education system that I've been questioning for years. Ngibona futhi ukuthi as I'm homeschooling, ma homeschooler, so uthola ama modules akho onyaka wonke, you can see manje ngoJanuary qala unyaka ukuthi kuzofundwa in the entire year. So I kept scrolling, for example in the subject business studies. I kept scrolling ngaze ngafika ekugcineni kwe ma module onke onyaka. But I didn't see any part that in business studies that esifundisa ukuthi how to open your business. We are taught about Employment Act in business studies. We are taught to be slaves.
Business environments.
Now, how do you open a business with that? Because we should be taught about company, how to open a company. That's what they teach us in school. So that's what I actually brought to the table to him. So the Bantu education that the young people of 1976 fought for, how did you allow English to even dominate? Because the youth of 1976, they fought against Afrikaans and English. Kodwa English kwaqhubeka nayo. Thina siyifunike zama 2K English. And asifuna lento
kodwa ikhuluma kahle ngayo. Qhubeka.
Inkinga ngithi it's colonization. And I do sekwaba colonized. Mina I always complain ukuthi hayibo bazali bethu kodwa nanivuma kanjani into enje. Mina angisikhuluma isingisi ngoba ngifuna.
Yes, sesiyayiphumela.
Siyiphumela.
So kuba isigisi sikho. Cha usuqala ubekika abantu. Yes.
So that's what I actually brought to the table to him, and he was very invested because he even taught me and showed me that people's mandates of the MK party ukuthi iyaveza la ukuthi ngempela education system sayibantu education, so na MK party yavumelana nalokho ngoba ukuthi ke MK Teens and Learners Command I continue working in it, saqhubeka sasebenza kwi MK Teens and Learners Command siphinde futhi sikhulume about ama scouts, sibe nama scout, understanding ukuthi Umkhonto Wesizwe is a semi-military party.
Yes.
So it's not just politics, it's a semi-military.
Okay.
So sinamaskawoti kwi-MK Teens Learners Command where we bring military to primary schools.
Okay.
Sikhathela ngo-PE abangasizi ngeluso nama-stadium.
Yes.
Singena kwi-military. So that's what we offer as well kwi-MK Teens and Learners Command.
Manje bethu ngicela ukuchecka uleader kuphi lapha kwi-MK Party mawungachazela umuntu ukuthi uleader ezukhona.
So I'm the president of the MK Teens and Learners Command.
National.
Mina
ngisenhlanhleni ukuthi ngikhuluma nomungameli wama-Teens National njengoba sikhuluma.
Yes.
Okay, mfethu. So njengamanje nina ke as upresident wama-Teens mfethu, eziphi izinto oleader kuzona nje njengamanje as we speak umuntu okubukayo oyithini ozothi awu I'm impressed ngale ntombazane okhuluma lapha phambili. Ni leader kanjani ithinto yenu?
So, as the MK Teens and Learners Command, we represent and advocate for teenagers and learners of South Africa. So, ma uyi-2K automatically usuyi-member ye-MK Teens and Learners Command. So, whenever you have issues at schools, issues that are not understood by obazali bethu, because it's very hard to tell umzali wakho, especially assisting you are a boy, and you go to your parent. Usho ukuthi uyabhulisha ubufana because how uyindoda enjani ebhulishwa esikoleni.
Yes.
So i-MK Teens ingena lapho ukuthi so we question and try to address ama challenges that are faced by ingane zesikole. If you are being bullied, if you are being sexually exploited by teachers, because there's been a lot of instances dlule bullying actually lento yokushelwa othisha. It's very iyona dominator in South Africa.
Wayilusa lapho ngikhumbula ukuthi einsukwini ngeke ngakubona nigijima lapha esikoleni enjoloba ila ngiqale khona ukunothisa khona kade ngizothi ngithi ngikhuluma noCijipo Zuma athi ingane yethu president wama-Teens lo esikhuluma ngayo ithinto yakhe usichazele lapho ukuthi yinto awuyaduyimele lapha phezulu.
Okay, so at Njoloba Secondary School, there was a whole incident of abafundi. They were not satisfied, basically the management, the SGB, the teachers. Issues about they just stated them. Kodwa kwakukuningi ngona but thina singena as MK Teens ukuthi sibe nomhlangano ke naye SGB no principal and actually try to find a resolution to whatever issue that abafundi have, because the MK Teens Learners Command we work njenge COSAS sekuthi COSAS phela ngithi kwi-ANC and we know how the ANC is. So umkhonto isizwe ke is here to actually fix what the ANC is doing, as we are the wing of the ANC, just like how it is in 1961. So kwabo ukuthi ke I got there abafundi sebe plane the entire like protest and etc. Ngafika ngakhona ekseni ukuze sibe ne-meeting with the principal and the SGB, but that wasn't actually successful as babebiza amakhansela so yeah, it was a matter of that. Kodwa ngingasho ukuthi kuyikole eziningi, there's a school that we actually went to last year eZwelethu secondary school in Umlazi where othisha nabo abafundi were experiencing the same issues, kodwa kwakuwukuthi ke othisha bayamithisa ke nje lapha ingane zesikole so sahamba kanye nelakho khona kuze, so because we work very hand in hand with ilakho ngoba they bring the manpower that we need ngoba kuke kufika izimo la kumele ngophela as I'm a young woman, so I can't necessarily fight physically like that. So yeah, kwaba yilokho.
Enye into engifuna ukuchecka futhi kunezinto eziwu2 engisichecka kuwena. Oqala kwi-country siphila kuyona kunengcindezi mawumuntu wesifazane esuke ikhona. Esibili eminyaka, and I'm so happy ukuthi namhlanje ngihleli nomuntu ekuthiwa makuthiwa uyithini okanye ngikhuluma nomuntu omusha, ngikhuluma nomuntu omusha ayomusha ngokweminyaka yebhola. So ngizama ukuchecka iziphi ingcindezi obhekana nazo eziwu2 as ukuba female and uphinde ube mncane.
Okay, so ziningi kakhulu ingcindezi, but I won't get into that because it's all in the topic of patriarchy. Lokhu kokuthi nakhona it's a matter of just me understanding ukuthi it's just colonization. It's what the oppressors or white people actually did to us, even mentally, ukuthi abantu besifazane be perceive ngendlela ba perceive ngayo. Because way before, when I do my research in 1652 pre-colonial, basically ukuthi kwakuyibona abantu besifazane who actually used to guide amabutho and all of those things. Bekwazi ukubona izinto before kuyiwe empini, but now the women are just treated like trash. So I always highlight even in the MK party ukuthi patriarchy is one thing that we have to fix. Like there should be more leaders, because another thing mangikhuluma nabo abazali bethu, because ngiyasho ukuthi abazali bethu phela ama leaders lawa existayo because thina siyama 2K sizola ibona, they are the ones who brought umkhonto wesizwe to us. What a beautiful party. So they actually, I always tell them, like women in particular, ukuthi Bazali bethu, actually, I think another thing, because one thing about me, I do research and ngiyathanda to analyze and observe before I even do anything about it or say anything. And I observe, but most of the time, where we, like in general, in life in general, yes, we have the issues that we have as women, but we shouldn't allow to be subjected by men, especially dating. Yeah. Like in the MK Teens and Learners Command, there's nothing I highlight because the constitution yet no coming, because once you actually date someone, especially in politics, it's very hard. Now you have to be subjected to what they are saying. So I always try to build that. I'm a future leaders. We will never be subjected to men. We are all equal to this, and that we can think. Because another thing that I always go back to our history, like we need Madikizela Mandela. Because Mandela, ukuthi yena eyedwa uyina ayenza leadership role yakhe nama qualities akhe. So yeah
yazi ke futhi sisakhuluma ngala ngifuna ukuya kuyigenge endala nami sengijwa ukuthi mangikhuluma ngiyifake lekeke endala ngoba sengiya kokushuba, but into engicela ukuyibuza yini ocabanga abantu abadala abakhona kwi society abayi understand ngabantu abasha, because njengoba ngikhuluma nawe ngibuka ubuhlaka nje selokusiqalela interview, yini ucanga ukuthi abantu abadala out there and mabebuka le podcast abayi understand ngokumuntu omusha?
Okay, so abantu abadala aba-understand into eyiningi, and I do not blame them.
Okay.
It's the colonization, it's the system that makes them think the way they think.
Okay.
Abantu abadala, first of all, sesikhuluma in general, not just politics. They abafuna ukulalela ingane zabo. Angasayilandi nje kude ngithi abantu abasha ingane zabo themselves. Ingane zasabo kusho ngisho ekhaya ukuthi hayi ma phela ungakhulumi nami kanjalo, ucela ukhulume kanje ngoba uyamsaba umzali wakhe. And it's the system usually esukenza abazali ukuthi bebe nama anger issues sometimes and all of those things. So understand abantu abadala ukuthi ikhathi seyishintshile. They are not adapting, they still use the traditional ways to address certain issues, ukushaya amakhonto ngwenziwe hayi ukuthi kuhlale phansi because le nto phela ngithi nayi seyiphumile ne corporal punishment. You can't do that, and the teenagers, they will question hayi ngizokubopha ma ngoba ngishayelana ubeke umthetho constitution banoba. So abazali abahambi ngesikhathi ukuthi izinto seyihamba kanjani manje, and also they always oppress. Our parents always oppress, as well as when it comes to like politics now, they always want to dominate. That's why in politics there's usually abantu abadala kakhulu than abantu abasha. It's because they always want to dominate as if they'll be here in the next decades. So ngoba sikhona is MKT Learners Command, that's why we are here to actually show them ukuthi so njengoba nilwa nje nilela thina, so we have to be part of the fight. Kuze nathi masehlapha sekamenda ama constitution, for example, ithina sohlala nalama constitution for the next coming years, naseningekho bazabethu accept the reality. Ithina sohlala la will be here in the future. So we have to be part of sisho nathi ukuthi yini esifuna in the constitution. Ithina sobabafundi in the next coming years. So we have to be the ones who shape the education system as well. Kungabe ukuthi yini enishape kanti nishape ngendlela le yakudala yebantu education, just like how it is currently.
But ngicela ukubuyela kunina njamanje izwe sihlezi complaina ukuthi abantu abadala bafuna ukuthatha inqumo emaparlamente, kukhona abantu abadala and stuff, but manje mawuthi uyalandela labantu badala abasiyo imajority of izwe as MK Teens nina yini lenizoyenza to attract wonke umuntu omusha, because into engiyitholile abantu abaregistile abasha aba over 18 to 35 bancane kakhulu kodwa ibona futhi abaningi kakhulu ekuphileni. So as you can see ukuthi bazohlezi abantu abadala besithathele inqumo because asikho lapha makumele siparticipate endweni yokuvota. Ikuphi ke nizokwenza esingakulindela to attract, because even our podcast njengoba silanda abantu abafana nani sifuna uku-attract abantu abasha. Sesiyakujabulela ukuthi umuntu ungitshela nge-data connect ngale library noma esitolo athi ngikuzwile mawukhuluma lapha ko TikTok, lama platforms ethi iwona la afika bemakhulu. Nina ke as MK Teens yini enizoyenza to contribute ukuthi nilandele abantu abasha abathi abayingeni indaba yokuvota?
Okay, so EMK Teens and Learners Command, what we do, as I mentioned before we even get into making decisions and working, we do an analysis because we are teenagers ourselves. So asayilandi kuda, asayilandi kugugu. Ngiyacabanga mina ukuthi njengoba mina nginje. Because another thing I actually discovered last year, I did not know mina ukuthi when you're 18 you can vote. I had no idea. We aren't taught in schools ukuthi kuyavotwa and kumele uvote makunjani nanani ukubaleka kanjani ukuvota. We are not taught completely esikoleni indaba yokuvota. So EMK Teens ingena lapho ukuthi as we are teenagers ourselves, we can talk to other teenagers, because uma kuza umuntu omdala it's very rare ukuthi umuntu omusha ngamlalela umuntu omdala. The system has made conditioned ama-teenagers or ama-2K in general ukuthi singayifunda ehlane in politics, ehlana nama-politics because there's fighting, there's this and that, usengcupheni nje, you are risking your life, etc. It's the system esenza ukuthi isibe njalo, and abazali bethu they do allow it ukuthi yenze ukuthi sibe njalo. So as MK teens we try as much as we can ukuthi like we try to make politics fun. There's into ukuthi masikhuluma about for example the Madlanga Commission. As the MK teens we were breaking it down in small words, simple terms ukuthi so nangu mkhwanazo sethu nangu Paulo Sullivan sethu ngoba lapha eParliament akusho amagama amakhulu esingawazi.
Yes.
So that's another thing that actually pushes teenagers. And nokuthi sibalekele eliminate lento le ama boardroom nana, because as young people we hate ama boardroom, we hate ama meeting lawa formal manje cha fika nje ne crop top yakho sihlale epake and talk about politics. So we try to make politics relatable, because I always explain to them, even if you avoid the term politics, avoid the political party, but still you living life and existing right now is politics. You waking up saying aware kamanzi gini na no gas, it's politics. Ikhansela lagini phela lingasebenzi and they are in politics. So kuyakuthinta. You getting into an accident is politics. You being raised by a single parent is politics. What made your father leave? What made your mother leave? It's politics. It's the system in Tlhopeko. You living in poverty. Because I always talk about how because I actually do have a variety of friends. Friends who are very privileged, friends who are not privileged. So ngikho ngikwazi ukuthi ngifunde onke ama-class ngokwengane zabo, ama-leaders, ingane zo-minister, naba bangapha ngiyabona ngicompare it. When you are actually very privileged as a young person, awungeni in politics. And in general, yazi uma ukhululekile unayo yonke into empilweni, politics is for fighting, politics are for struggling people. It's very rare to find umuntu rich and ethezekile empilweni engena in politics, because who are they fighting for? Because when I said they're already sorted. So it's a matter of that. So I try to show them how politics are literally your life. You going to church is politics, that's colonization. You passing and or failing at school, it's politics. What you are being taught at school is shaped by politics. So it's all of that.
Yazi ukuthi ukungena lapho ngihlezi ngisho ukuthi ngiyafisa kuma platforms kanje, even labo abantu abadala ke bafunde kakhulukazi enganeni kade ngichecka nje ukuthi akunene ngithola ukuthi kunenye umunye umuntu oqhamuka kwenye political party nani, but abantu abasha they engage instead of lento esifunda kubona leke ngendala lapha phezulu ukuthi kuyadutshulwana, awukwazi ukuhlala nomunye umuntu oyi-EFF unixoxe naye izinto engage nani. Ezinye zezinto engicabanga ukuthi niqhamuka nazo as young people, mhlawumbe eziphi izinto ongathi mawukhuthaza straight to that camera ukhuluma nomuntu omusha umnxenxa to join your party, ungamnxenxa uthini kuyena, yini angasayilindele uma ezovota ngonyaka ozayo ukuthi akavotele MKP kakhulukazi elandwa yithini?
So basically, when it comes to what you just listed, indaba yokuthi we always see our parents, our leaders who are existing, especially in other parties, abalwisanayo political killings. Khona ngisho PKTT manje koMadlanga Commission kuyabulawana. We get confused as young people, because I myself, I do engage with my comrade from different parties as well, but I try by all means, because one thing about the MK Teens and Learners Command, we are trying to actually secure and build the future here. So ngisho futhi ukuthi mangikhuluma namanye ama comrades, ngisho ukuthi yazi as MK Teens abazabe bethu baxabayene in parliaments, baxabayene in politics in general. Mina ngilanda ingane zabo. So ngama bexabene abazali bethu, kodwa thina as young people, as the future, we are building this unity through ingane zabo. So chaza ukuthi future basically ihlangene, and we actually listen to each other. We try to build this one ideology eyodwa. So it's a matter of that. Kuphinde kube ukuthi we, how do I put it? Like basically we just always have like conversations, we engage a lot. But basically koni we actually do engage, and it's not a matter of fighting to us. Currently MK Teens, we ama members of the COSAS. Ayangena manje kwi MK Teens and Learners Command. Kodwa phela of course they will remain the COSAS, because uma wakhe uminister umfakile la kule position ye-COSAS. Kodwa yena uzofotela umkhonto wesizwe. So that's how we try to actually work it out.
Uthini uma makuvela ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe unaso stability umkhonto wesizwe nje uvela ulale namhlanje ungaba yi-MK Teens nje lo president kuvuka kusasa ungasekho ungaphendula uthini kuleyo?
So with regards to that issue, it's a matter of ukuthi the leaders noma ngengene kakhulu but ama leaders suke let's have mentalities from their different parties. Ngoba si MK Teens now we are very politically untainted. Asuka amanye ama political parties nokungcona kwakhona. We are clean. We are the clean umkhonto wesizwe. Ngoba laba abanye yes we need the expertise. We need ama experiences abo. They know exactly how to execute this and that. Kodwa it's very important ukuthi kube khona kumkhonto wesizwe oclean. Yila esingena khona thina. So MK party njengoba behlala beshintsha it's a good thing. It's a very good thing because they do listen. The leadership of the MK party listens to the masses. So abantu bekhala ama ground forces ekhala say no there's an issue we are facing this problem with who and who issue leadership. So it's a matter of that. Akuyona nje the hectic. It's a matter of that shows ukuthi MK party ayifani ngempela ne-ANC need 30 years to change the leadership or in order to fight etc. No. Uma kunenkinga manje ayilungise manje nje. It's easy as that.
Bethu into engichaza kakhulu ngibona ukuthi kusazoshisa kakhulu la because njengoba kulandela ukuthi ke sithole sikwazi abantu bakwazi ukubona ukuthi ubani futhi lo muntu esobe simphethe kanje so kusazoba ne debate ezoba khona from youth ama political parties and into engiyishilo kubantu abazoza kuleyo debate sicela abantu basinikeze ama ideas wabo so that we can see indaba yokushawa ngeminyaka la sifuna debate umuntu adebate nontanga yakhe so umuntu ongaba safe ozalwe ngo2000 kuyale so uma umuntu ama 90s asisho yabo ama 90s yakujumpa njani yakubhema ma 1k yakubhema ababhema angisadike icabanga kwabanye ama debates akhona esiwahlelayo la so ama 1k awathu kuphola kancane any political party ikakwazi ukuthi isitshele ukuthi no Sorenso sinikeze idea yakhe sicheke yona simbeke esihlalweni futhi ke sizokwazi sokubona bazosho abantu bathi hayibo sasifunda naye lokho 99 siyamazi into endisilethele so usazo debate nontanga yakho from ama parties so sibeke ngobu2k so sifuna umuntu ozalwe nje from year 2000 kuyale and then bese yeza are you ready to debate nointanga zakho
that's okay very ready because Goba ngeke MK party it's a matter of knowing the ideology.
Okay.
It's a matter of knowing ama ideologies kuphela nje and ngingasho kwasami ukuthi I am extremely ready and bring it up. Ngizela ama policies apho ecolonization. If decolonize kungabe ukuthi uzala futhi you are a Christian that's colonization on itself. So ngathi le I criteria ukuthi uzela kuzobe kukhona mina. Ngathi
ngicela ubabize manje okay ake kubuze uyabasaba yini na?
Hayi asibasabi siyafuna
so nje manje baduze mbukeli nomlandeli wepodcast sesithe ake sihambe siyolanda ize ngasibanikele abantu badala sicela futhi ningabi nanembono nje eminingi kulelo khuzana yabantu abasha nami ngizophuma kwabantu abasha maduze kodwa ngizobe iphethwe futhi uhlelo labantu abasha nami ngisakhona kulesi space ngizalida kusona so ngiyakuliphika iphuzo ngithi sizoba ne debate ezoba khona esizoyithola sesike samthola kodwa ushenge ababemlethile we Democratic Alliance namhlanje sithole umholi we MK Teens sizophinda sithole from ANC or any party ezosibhalela mawudecide ubona ngathi into esiyenzayo wena ikuthini kangako nina niyazi niyenza do it thina we are going to invite both abantu abasha and mukasirobhi kulokho lethe umuntu omusha azokhuluma nje ngoba MKP nayo ikwazi ukusinikeza umuntu wayo omusha so mfethu ngicela ukuchecka in years to come iziphi izinto noma indawo oyibonisa ukuyona
in years to come honestly I can't wait for those years because there's a lot of change that has to happen
okay
a lot of change and I think I've never necessarily put any thoughts in that. Ngokuthi ziningi izinto esidila nazo currently that have to be fixed.
Okay.
First of all, the constitution that has to be fixed that works for white people and not us as natives of this country.
Okay.
So mina ngibona nje honestly in the following years to come ngiphila in a pre-colonial system where we are not being ruled by white people, where there's equality, where we aren't living in poverty as young people, where we can thrive as young people and actually stand for ourselves without uktolo connection in nepotism. Us actually not us actually as young people getting used to money, because that's another thing. I think leyo ukuthi kukhokha imali kuthiwa nangu sebribe nana poverty that builds that ukuthi ufuna ukuthatha imali untshontshe imali corruption. It's poverty. I think we should just all be used to money to the extent where ngeke ngidayisa abantu bami, because we're already used to this.
2026 lo esikuona nje manje siya kuma local elections. Ngebhadi nje thizeni noma ngenhlanhla thizena ngazi ukufika ngayiphi indlela. Kuvele nje kuthiwe nayi MK party iphethe umngeni municipality. Angisakhulumela iparty ke manje. Silindele ukubona udlala liphi iqhaza ngoba wena umkhaya wami kabili mawubala indaba ukuthi wawuzalwe kasenkandla kodwa sinayo empophomeni so uthi uziphethe lamacycle omabili. Ithi into yakho kungenzekani into esingayilindela?
So into engalindela honestly uma ngathiwa ngiphatha umngeni upapasi uthi ukuma kancane ngala kungaba ukuthi young people the basically the sector that I'll really prioritize because in these spaces there's usually abantu abadala and there's corruption, there's this and that, so those are the matters that we would fix nokuthi sazi izinto ingcebe khona la emngeni that we have Howick Falls, we have this and that, we have the Midlands, there is farm lana, agriculture, etc. Zonke lezi zinto zingafihla because one thing currently that's happening, it's gatekeeping. Mawungabiza nje ingane la ngaphandle yini lana nje emngeni nje enkulu engakulethela hlapha imali mangahamba uyowenza ibhizinisi khona nana ngeke yazi izothi la hlapha rank akazi ukuthi there's Nelson Mandela site la there's this and that, a heritage site that we can actually use to boost our economy, our own economy as umngeni. Yeah, just that.
Efezube mlanda kakhulu kuba nawe ohlelweni maqembu ngiyacela lilinge licije ngoba solokhu sibalandile silande ingane zenu mawungekho ready uzosala ngaphansi ngempela. So manje ngijwayele ukudlala any game mase sengizovala uhlelo. Asikhuluma manje akithi umuntu omusha ngaso sonke isikhathi mayikhuluma ngefuture into enoke wayibalade siqala uhlelo ukuthi abantu abadala abanqeni ukuthathisa ama decisions abayobengekho kona. So thina siphila ngokwefuture nokubuka ikusasa masikhuluma u10 years from now for sure sobe sekhona noma kunjani. Ngiya fast forward manje asi 2028 inene nisemngeni 2028 yazi why ngisho le ngenzela ukuthi lento leyizohlala kuma archives ngothatha this clip bese ngiyayidlala. So I date yanamhlanje asike sithi holiday la ngomhla kabani 22 March ne as usibuka njengamanje u2026 lo kodwa ke manje sikhuluma nomuntu u2028 athi kululele futhi u2029 March ngifuna ukuyiposta kabusha khona ivideo engenzile ezekuseni ngiposta abafana basescout ngabashutha 11 years ago ngabashutha abatshela ukuthi ngiyoniposta ke lindaka abancane beno 10 years mangibaposta sibe abanomzana izolo bengasahlekwe page lami ukuthi bukoso phela iqhubu kade unalo amaqhubu ke kunawo la ngithi wena u2029 inini enisemngeni. Sikhuluma kwifuture ke manje ukuze sibone ukuthi into awukhuluma ngayo ngaleli yala ngoqinisile 2029 awuxoxela umuntu izinto eseyishintshile emngeni ngoba selokhu kwangenane na ngo2029 umhla ka22 ngiyayiposta njengamanje mbukeli ngayenza u2026 kwasho yena wathi ngo2029 kobe kunje kunjani manje emngeni nayi MKP inomeya iphethe emngeni kwenzekani 2029 asikhulume nathi mhlawumbe uyiqala ukhombisa phela 2029 umtshela njengoba ubona ukuthi sekunje awukhulume khona ngoyiposta abantu bayophikisa noma bakuvumele ngalelo langa.
So ngucomment ukwanda Summers here and it's literally 2029. We have been waiting for this year. So njengamanje ngizoneza ama accomplishment esesiwenzile as umkhonto wesizwe party as well as the MK Teens and Learners Command prioritize abantu abasha as well as our economy as black people. So first things first, we'll eliminate business. Actually, we have eliminated businesses esingabenefiti kona in town and abantu abasha abaningi black people abasepophomeni nje futhi kakhulukazi they have a lot of businesses, they are running the economy of umngeni. Amathenda lawa enziwa ama young people, black young people. So we're using this BEE nayo eyinkinga nje kahle kodwa in a very correct way. The councillors they literally consist of young people, and if it's not young people they consist of abantu who have experience and who will not be corrupt because we are tired of this corruption. Plus uma kukhona izinkinga la emngeni, we are actually gonna sort those issues. We have sorted those issues in literally like weeks and weeks. Kungabi nje 30 years lo olindwe iANC yonke leminyaka. and also induna abantu abaphethe ama-sites indawo as young people sisondeza kakhulu nabo so that we can actually like implement a lot of projects sibe nemfuyo sibe nayo imfuyo nathi as young people and sekukhona abantu abasha sebe nayo imfuyo kule mhlaba le akho mhlaba la ophethe by umuntu ongayona native of Mpophomeni or a black person so umhlaba wonke ukuthini economy yonke ukuthina currently yini ke nikhala ngayo
hayi ngibongile impela ukubuya kwi-future cha kumnandi phela nje ngikhuluma nawe mbukeli sikhona la kwi-future isasiyenza lento siseyabantu abasha kudala lapha uyakhumbula kale yaminyaka edlule mhlawumbe ushadile nje kwazi bayi mfethu elakho lokugcina nelokubonga kumuntu osibukelayo osilandelayo ngisho lokuvalelisa
ngiyabonga kakhulu for actually like viewing this till now because it's very important ukuthi ngisho ungayena umuntu omusha kobuka la kodwa wazi ukuthi iziphi izinto ongayi expect from umkhonto party because we are not here to actually bring false promises just like the ANC has done or other parties. We are here to actually build the future that actually listens to the people, to what they want. Singadayisi futhi kubantu abamnyama. So thank you so much for actually viewing this and I hope you will be voting for the MK party. Actually, please vote for the MK party. If you're not voting for it and you want reasons to actually vote for it, please actually look for the MK Teens and Learners Command. There's a number here.
Oh, please.
And actually, yes. It's called MK International. Our usernames on all social media pages. There's our email, there's a number. You can actually contact us. Tinage, we don't care. Keep us celebrate. Yeah. If you want to meet us, you will meet us. Okay. We are not here in a popularism, etc. So, you want reasons to vote for the MK party, and we will give you reasons to actually vote for them. It's the ideology.
Nangu kwazileke phela umkhonto namhlanje endlini zomsakazo nezokubukela bese umuntu omusha bafowethu sifuna ukuzwa izimvo zabo yazi ngihlekizwa yini ningenza ngishape le podcast yazi izohamba izifike ngisho ko 10 years ngoba nabo kuzofuna ukubeza ukuthi bona abantu bathandana njengoba bekwazi ukuthi support iPirate noma support iChiefs nabo siyafisa ukuzwa ama views abo into engenza lokho interview engenze nawo ukungitshela ukuthi waqala ukuba involved umncane kangaka kulento siyabonga kakhulu ngethuba lakho osiphelona mbukeli wethu don't forget to share like and subscribe la ungashare ku comment section njengoba sikuvezela yona live lapha ku Facebook ngasibhalela ezinye izinto ofuna ukuyithola kuyena sizokusharela inamba bekade ekhuluma ngazo iyona le nibonayo ivela lapho ku screen i-email yabo iyona futhi le evelayo lapho iscreenini sakho konke indlela zokwazi ukubathinta noma ufollowe khona njengoba kade bekhuluma isiyobonana kwi debate mbukeli angiyazi le debate yobishume kanjani siyabonga kakhulu bafethu.